Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage a new cart. So your cart will be here at the bottom right, but if you don't have items added to your cart yet, you just come here and browse through, find the item you would like to add. Let's add, for example, these Adidas shoes. So come here, tap on that, and then you click here on add to cart. Okay, you can come here and select your quantity as well. Let's say you want 2 of those. Click here and add to cart, and then you can click here on view cart, or if you want, you can do more shopping, and then at the end, just come here at the bottom right, click on cart. Then from here, if you don't want anything as of now, you want to reduce the quantity, you can click on this minus icon. If you want to increase quantity, you can click on the plus icon. Let's say you don't want to go ahead and get the shoes now, maybe at a later date, you can click on this icon to add it to your wish list. Okay, it'll be removed from your cart, and now as you can see, only these are in my cart, and I can click on this amount right here, and this up arrow will show you my order summary, the number of items I have here, the subtotal, shipping fee, and of course you can go ahead and check out. But that is how to manage new cart.